Hey guys, as you all know, Christmas is around the corner. So I guess you know what does that mean. Yes, a new Christmas theme video. So what should I make this time? Christmas tree? No. Christmas wreath? No. There are already so many videos on that. Then what? What should I make? Yes, idea. Hey friends, this is Priya here. Welcome back to my channel Creative Hub. So after a lot of research and thinking, I thought of something unique and different. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 mini DIY keychains. It's very easy and very simple. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first, Christmas wreath. Things you will need is green sheet, red crystal beads, blue keychain, ribbon, scissor, pencil, scale. First, take green sheet, fold it half, then again half, and from other side again half. Open it. You have to make straight lines of 1 centimeter gap like this. After that, cut straight lines. Cut horizontal lines. After cutting, take one strip, fold it half, apply glue on the edge, paste it, then simply push from back to the front and you will get leaf shape. Like this, you have to make 32 leaves. Now see how to paste it. You have to paste it in the leaf shape, like zigzag way. Watch it carefully. After it's done, let it dry completely. Give a slight curve. And attach it. It will form a circle. Now attach chain with this. I have taken a small piece of paper and roll it so that I can make a base for chain hold. Like this. I have attached chain in this. You can simply paste it with glue gun. It's your own wish. Make a bow and attach it at the top. Paste crystal beads. Apply glue randomly for some sparkle. So our Christmas wreath is ready. This is our first DIY. Let's move on to second. Second, mini Christmas tree DIY. For this, things we will need is glue, wooden stick, designer sheet, pencil, foam sheet, scale, one cap and chain. So let's get started. First, make triangle of 7 by 9 centimeter and do fan fold. Like this. You can see zigzag. After it's done, make a hole in the center. Attach wooden stick. Like this. Do it carefully, it won't break. Make a hole at the top for a chain. Now, make a hole at the center of the cap. I will decorate the cap by applying some sparkles. So for that, apply glue on the cap. Then roll it on the sparkle. It will make simple cap sparkly. Now attach stick in the cap. Place it from the top. Apply glue at the bottom so that it will stick properly. After that, attach chain with the tree. Like this. Now take glittery foam sheet and make star on it. Cut it. and attach it at the top of the tree. So our second mini Christmas tree keychain is ready. So now move on third. That is my favorite mini Christmas snowflake. So things you will need is glue, pencil, scissor, scale, glue sheet, chain and some silver glitter. First make 7 by 7 cm square. Cut it. You have to make 6 squares like this. First take one square, fold it half. Then from the center, you have to mark 0.5, 0.5 on the both sides of the center. Like this is the center. Mark 0.5, 0.5 on the both sides of center. Then fold one side to the point we have marked. Same with the other side. Apply glue on one side and attach. After that, again mark 0.5, 0.5 on both the sides. And fold it inwards like this. Same from the other side. Then fold it inside by pressing from the center. Like this. You can see the V. Just press it from the center and mold it inward. You can see both the sides V. Then fold it half. I have used the scale for neat half. Apply glue at the center like this and then paste it. Then again half it like this. Mark 1 centimeter. Give it shape. You have to do same with other 5. Then take one, apply glue and attach second one on the top. Same with other 4. After it's done and get dried completely, open it. You can see apply glue and paste it. You can see the snowflake. Now for decoration, apply glue randomly. Put some sparkle on the sheet. Now make the hole at the top and attach chain with it. So our snowflake is ready. Hope you guys liked the video. Do comment, share and subscribe to my channel Creative Hub.
We wish you a Merry